Today we are going plane spawn and ptfs. Get ready because stuff like really crazy. See you soon. Okay, so gotta land the helicopter onto this big pancake-like building. But if it was a square, okay, jump off. Yeah. Okay, so here's the FOF. Just checking if the screen recording was alright. Like I was still screen recording. Okay, so we have TUI flight 92739, I think that is. I don't really know or care. Okay, it's finally took off. Oh, looks like the B-2 bomber is here. There was also a British Airways I saw. Flight 8,000, huh? That's nice. Oh, but F-16s, I think that is. I don't really know, and I don't really care. And looks like British Airways is just waiting for takeoff. Okay, so I'm sorry if my voice is annoying you. It doesn't sound weird to me, but it does sound weird for you. I don't know why, but looks like ACT is online. Wait, offline it was. Oh, looks like the F-16s are back. Okay, so this is on 11 and 57 minutes long video. Just saying. And soon I might try and land on something big with my helicopter. Or should I say my Black Hawk. Oh, it looks like flight 800 is taking off. Oh, it's back. Wow, that's actually nice. Sorry if my voice is annoying you again. Just doing some stuff for fun. Oh no, it's flatlined. Just joking about. Oh, looks like it's. Wait. But this how but oh, guy just left. I should actually go tell him that he left his plane. Yeah. I bet there's going to be a higher place I could plane spot. I don't know. Okay. Bro really just left his plane to join. I gotta get to the plane and tell him. Running sound effects I'm doing. Well, he looked like I was going in the shower. Looks like it's empty. Oh well, spawning a different plane, huh? A private one. I should go. Bill's another F-16. What? Oh my god. Well, at least it's fun. I should sneakily go and build plane. Oh. Almost got caught. I am trying to zoom out. Why is it not working? Wait, is this actually just easy to get in? What a stupid idea. Wait. Okay. I bet I could land on the ACT tower for a better view. Wait. One way? I'm going but one way? Silly me. I've been screen recording on my phone. Okay. No. Come on, man. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna try again. This time with the same plane. I almost have all the game passes. Oh, don't mind, that's just my heart beating. Just being goofy. I gotta do it. Gotta get Bill. Just being funny. I bet I could land it with the Black Hawk. If I can, I will be happy. Okay. Okay. Ooh. yes, I made it to a helipad. Yay! Or the ACT tower, actually. Anyway, time for working. Anyway, I don't know if this video is going to on or not. It's only 11 minutes long. Yeah, I don't really care. Sorry, just ate something for dinner. What the hell? First I saw 2 concoys and now. Anyway, the video's still going too long. Please subscribe, like, and comment what your favorite thing ever was. And make sure to ring the bell to